Are you interested in getting into Bitcoin? You came to the right place. Hey everyone, George here, and today we're talking about my top 5 ways to start investing into Bitcoin safely and securely. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First on the list, the most popular investing app out on the market right now, RobinHood. RobinHood is a stock trading app primarily, but you can also buy cryptocurrency, which a lot of people don't know. The really good thing about Robinhood is zero commission, so they don't charge you for trading. And that's especially nice because when you're buying cryptocurrency, especially when you're entry level, you don't want to spend all these unnecessary fees on buying crypto because that can be used into buying even more. Now, one of the best hands down methods that I don't think anybody can dispute about Robinhood is their interface. Their app is so clean. It's so easy to use. It's not confusing at all. There's not charts and numbers everywhere. It's just a simple app. It has some charts with small numbers on it. It doesn't overwhelm you. You can search exactly what you want. Hit add on your favorite. They take you step by step through everything. It's really seamless and has a great user interface. Now, the bad thing when it comes to Robinhood and buying crypto. So you can buy it, you can store it there, but you can't withdraw it. And when I mean withdraw, you can't withdraw to some other crypto website or your own wallet. Right now, it stays on the platform, which is insured, but they said they're working on being able to integrate sending and receiving cryptocurrency on the website itself. Another takeaway from Robinhood is their cryptocurrency menu isn't that large. It's pretty limited, but if you're looking strictly for Bitcoin, that's your place to go. Also, just a side note, I really think their CEO, Vlad, is a robot. Don't quote me on it. It's out there, kind of acts like a robot, sounds like a robot, really good at dodging questions, but that's a story for another video. Next up on the list is Webull, one of my favorite trading apps on the market right now. And like Robinhood, it's primarily used for stocks, but you can also trade cryptocurrency on it. Like Robinhood, you can't withdraw your crypto off of the website itself right now, but they also said they're working on it. Who knows when that's coming. Also, like Robinhood, they have a zero commission broker, so they don't charge you. Remember, that's extremely important if you're just getting into the market in either stocks or crypto. You don't want to have to pay those commission fees up front in the beginning. Webull also has a limited variety of cryptocurrency, but if you're looking for Bitcoin, they have it, so you're set to go. And their CEO is not a robot, at least to my knowledge. Next on the list, we have CoinBase, the infamous OG of cryptocurrency, at least for the United States. Coinbase first appeared in 2012 when Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies started taking off and getting media attention, and people really needed a place to buy and sell crypto safely. Originally, they only had Bitcoin and Ethereum. Now they also have Lite Coin and multiple other cryptocurrencies on there, and they're constantly adding different currencies on there that they deem safe and reliable. They don't want to add just every single altcoin out there that is, that might blow up, that doesn't have proof of work concept. That's just people making random coins. So they're looking out for their consumers and themselves. Coinbase has a super simple interface. You go on there, it is streamlined. You know how to buy, you know how to sell. It's super easy, which is extremely nice when you're first getting into the market. The one thing that Coinbase has that these other two apps did not have is you can withdraw your cryptocurrency from the app or website itself. You can either withdraw it to another website that has a platform for crypto or a cold wallet. And for those of you that don't know, a cold wallet is essentially an external device where you store your crypto. It can either be a program or your computer, or it can be an external hard drive-like device where you store it. Just remember, if you lose that program or wallet itself, the crypto is gone. You cannot get it back. So don't go losing your hard drive in a landfill, because then you might be searching for $48 million in a landfill. And that's never fun. That's why me personally, I like to keep my cryptocurrency on websites and apps that I trust, because they're insured and I don't have to worry about misplacing something or my computer dying or my hard drive flying into a landfill. Now, the biggest that everyone complains about problem of Coinbase are their fees. Oof, do they have fees? Fees for depositing, fees for withdrawing, fees for trading, fees for putting money in, fees for putting money in with different devices. They have fees on fees. Let's just say they have a lot of fees. Think of Oprah Winfrey just giving out fees. Now, next up, we have BlockFi. BlockFi is attempting to be the first crypto bank in a sense. Signing up to BlockFi feels really like signing up to a bank. They verify your information just like most of these trading apps do, and it's super streamlined, super easy, not complicated at all. You can trade, buy, and sell on BlockFi also, just like other crypto exchanges. The big difference with BlockFi is you actually can get loans from BlockFi itself, which is really nice if you're in a cinch and you don't want to take your cryptocurrency out to sell it. And the way they do it is they use your crypto as collateral. So let's say you have $300,000 in Bitcoin. You can take out $100,000 in US dollars as a loan and pay it back at their fixed rate, whatever they give you at the time. It all varies based on how much you have and assuming your credit. One of my favorite reasons why I use BlockFi, and I tell everybody to use BlockFi, is their interest program. Now, their interest program is really simple. They give you 3% back on anything you have in Bitcoin in the year. So 3% annually. But what they do that most people don't even do, not even dividend stocks, is they pay you monthly. So, easy scenario here. You have $2 million, right? You did super well. You invested in Bitcoin at the right time. You knew what you were doing. You put it in BlockFi. You have $2 million in your BlockFi account. Every year, you will get $60,000 in interest just for having it in your account. Now, every month, you get $5,000. That's a lot of money. That's a nice way to create a nice passive income flow. So you don't have to wait for the end of the year to get all your money. You can get it every month. And with that money, you can either reinvest it into your crypto or use it for whatever you want. Accruing interest is always a good thing, especially if it's free. And the way they make that accrue interest is they have all these fancy algorithms that trade crypto for small margins a million times that I don't really understand, but they can offer you this because they grow their crypto base by trading multiple times, and you get the accrued interest. So it's a win-win situation. Now, this final way isn't actually a cryptocurrency. It's not an exchange, but it's a way to invest in crypto without really investing in crypto, without taking the risk, while taking minimum risk. It's really weird, I know, but hear me out. So there's this company called Grayscale, and they have the Grayscale BTC. And what that is a trust with about 650,000 plus Bitcoins. That's a lot of money. But because ETFs and indexes can't directly invest into crypto because of regulatory reasons, they created this stock that mimics Bitcoin. Now, the price is different than Bitcoin because every share is worth a certain amount of Bitcoins, actually this much, but it follows Bitcoin. Like I said, this isn't an exchange, this isn't a cryptocurrency, this is just another way to invest into crypto. But the only limiting factor is it's only on Fidelity and Charles Schwab right now, so it really limits the people that can get it. And the only reason I would ever do that if I was an investor is if I really thought crypto was shady, but I wanted the benefits of it going parabolic and price continue going up, but I didn't want to get into it, and I felt more comfortable investing into a stock that I know is SEC regulated, so I feel a little more safe. But now, guys, everything I've talked about is insured. Robinhood's insured, Webull, BlockFi, CoinBase, Grayscale, they're all insured. So if you lose your money, if you get hacked, you are insured for that money. So you're not going to lose your money if you get hacked. You're secured. So you don't have to worry about crazy Russian cyber hackers from China, from all different countries stealing your money. And remember, guys, all the companies I talked about are in the links below. So are you guys investing in Bitcoin or cryptocurrency right now? Let me know what apps or trading platforms you're using right now. Leave them in the comments below. I would love to hear them. And remember, as always, I'm just some random YouTuber, so do your own research and do not invest what you can't afford to lose. Thanks for watching, guys, and I will see you next time.